Hey my loves, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing a little bit of a get ready with me girls night edition. No, you will not be hearing me talk throughout this video. This is definitely a voiceover. I'm sorry my background look a little crazy, but I'm in the mix of trying to change it up again because y'all know I'm crazy. So definitely if you want to see what I did to get this makeup look or what the heck I'm wearing, then definitely keep on watching.
Show up, baby girl, you gotta show up. Show up, show them that you really glowed up. Glowed up. They still hating on you, so what?
Alright, let's start with skincare. So I'm going in with my moisturizer, my sunscreen, and my under eye cream as well. You guys, this time of year my skin really suffers, especially between a transition of seasons, and especially with it getting into the colder months, my skin has been reacting. I don't know about you guys, but seasonal allergies gets me, but it really doesn't. It really affects my skin the most. So I make sure I'm dragging the moisturizer down from my face all the way down to my chest. And I don't know if this under eye cream is working, but honestly anything to help my under eye bags. They've been dark my whole life, so hopefully it does something. I always do the 2-finger method when applying my sunscreen. That lets me know I'm using the correct amount. And I really like this sunscreen. Even though it has a scent to it, I like the fact that it goes down and doesn't get white all over me, and it eventually dries down to like a clear color, and it like makes me look shiny. I don't know, it makes me look like I glow. Alright, so let's get into Old Faithful. You guys know how much I love my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This foundation right now is, I don't know how, super light for me. I guess I got a tan somehow in the last few weeks because typically it's my color, but I think it'll be a good winter color for me. I might have to get a darker one just for the time being to really even it out, but you will see later on in the video that I do take a contour and try to warm it up. From far away, it photographs really well, so as of right now, it's holding on, and I mean, I'm not in a rush to change it out. To maximize on an even application, you really want to focus on your skincare application prior to your foundation, because once your foundation is on, it's going to pick up and show every crack and crevice. And honestly, if you have any crusty spots, it's definitely going to show under your foundation. So definitely take care of that prior to applying it. You'll notice that I like to go in with smaller amounts instead of just going on with a lot, because it's better to build on your foundation than to start off with a ton, because at that point you can't really take it back off. You might as well start completely over. Next, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I really like this concealer because it's comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape. I find that it is kind of easy to work with, but you also have to move kind of quick because it does dry down pretty quick. Also, I like to go in with a semi-lighter concealer. You guys, I'm not big on highlighting under my eye with a super white concealer. That's just not me. I like to brighten that area, but I don't like it to literally look a completely different color from me.
Are you serious? Are you kidding me? What's the deal? Oh no, it's the one you're talking about that's supposed to do.
I also went in with a darker concealer as well, just to kind of carve out where I want to bronze or contour. It gives it just a nice little extra definition. I personally like to use more powders to contour my face, but that's just, you know, preference. That's just what I like to do. You'll also notice that I'm kind of slim on the brush area. Like, I don't have that many brushes as of right now. As of right now, I'm focused on rebuilding my kit, so I'm not putting a whole lot of money on my own personal makeup kit. But I kind of like it as well because if my foundation brush is kind of blending out my concealer, it kind of has a nice blend to it versus just having separate brushes. That leftover foundation can really make a even finish throughout the concealer as well. Next, going in with my Beauty Bakery baking powder. I like this baking powder a lot. It's nice and thin. It's very easy to work with. And I love the fact that it's in Target now. Like, that had me shook when I went there. I don't know if they have this color specifically, but it's definitely a great powder. You should definitely check it out. Typically, I don't like to bake. I like to kind of just set my face, but it honestly depends on the foundation that I use and how much oil I want to grab up, but I also really do not like baking. I don't know. I just don't like the way it makes my face feel. Now going in with my Black Radiance contour palette. I like these palettes because they have a different range for pretty much every skin tone. I think I'm using the light to medium. I think I have the medium to dark on the screen, but you'll have all the information down below. I pretty much like to go between the darkest color and the lightest color and work between both of them and use my foundation brush to pretty much blend it out.
Are you serious? Are you kidding me? What's the deal? Oh no, no. This the one you talking about that's supposed to take my place. Damn, is this for real? It's almost disrespectful.
Woo, I am a sucker for blush. Okay, a sucker. It gives me like grown woman vibes when I use the right blush. And I don't really go in with the lighter colors. I like them deeper colors. It's like a lot of people are scared to play with blush. Don't be. It just does something different to your face and it really ties in your lipstick.
Your body knows me, yes. I'm still your best. Baby, I don't want your heart. Baby, once before. I don't want you back.
All right, let's talk brows. So I know my brows are going to be two different shapes when I'm done or completely done like filling in my brows. It's because one needs to be groomed and that one little hair is honestly like the most thickest thing in the world and it was really hard to fill it in. But I completely do a different method and routine for my brows. Literally every makeup look, it's not just one size fits all. So it really just depends on the eyeshadow look or what I want to give as far as my brows. Some days I want them to look really bold. Some days I want them to look super natural and soft. It honestly just depends on the day. So if you want an updated eyebrow routine, let me know. But I don't know if it'd be properly consistent because I constantly change it. If y'all don't know about Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palettes, then y'all been living under a rock. Definitely go ahead and try them out. They're very pigmented. I'm not big on colorful eyeshadow, so I typically just go for browns and burnt browns, burnt oranges, all of the above. Anything really to smoke out my eyes is just my favorite thing in the world. I think it really just, typically people think that dark shadow closes your eye. No, it makes it look like super sexy, super seductive, and that's just something I absolutely adore. So I'm going in with the browns and just taking it right into my crease.
Just wanna let you know. Say my love is bad. So you let me go. But my love is more. Just wanna let you know. I don't want your heart. Baby, once before. I don't want you back. Just wanna let you know. Say my love is bad. So you let me go. But my love is more. Just wanna let you know.
Ooh, child. I absolutely love a good liquid liner and a great wing. It just does something beautiful to the eyes. And this liner is one of my favorites because it's comparable to the Sephora one, that very matte black eyeliner look. I don't like shiny liners. To me, it just looks plastic. That's just me. But this matte black is beautiful. So I also don't know what lashes these are. I'm so sorry. My sister gave them to me at like an emergency moment. But if you know 3D lashes, then just go get you some. They're definitely more of a cat eye style lash, but it'll definitely be perfect for this look.
Pretty, you know it. Still your best.
So I've been definitely getting back into adding more highlighter to my cheeks. I don't know, it just does something pretty to the overall look, and it's just, if you put the right amount, it just does something different. So I took the highlighter from that Black Radiance palette as well as the browns and the bronzers and all that to blend out and smoke out my under lash line. And I used the brown liner and a little bit of mascara as well, and it just pulled everything together, make your eyes look really smoked out and beautiful.
It's unfair, I know that I got away. Just confess right now. Go ahead and say it.
Let's get into this spicy red lip. Ooh. Okay, hold up. Let me tell y'all. I used to hate red lips on myself, but this has changed the game. I've tried all different colors, every different, I don't know, color combo that you could think of with all different types of tones, and this one is what I feel like really fits me. This Milani pencil, I love. It goes on really smooth, and the consistency is super creamy, so it's very, very easy to work with. And I have fell out of using liquid lipsticks, but the Milani ones are really, really great. They don't dry out your lips or nothing. They make them look really, really full and just nice.
Say my love is bad, so you let me go. But my love is more. Just wanna let you know I don't want your heart. Maybe it was before. I don't want you back. Just wanna let you know. Say my love is bad, so you let me go. But my love is more. Just wanna let you know.
Quick pro tip, if you are going to use a red lip of any type of sort and you just either don't put it on evenly or it starts to bleed off the edges of your lip, just take your foundation and you can clean it up and just dab off the excess, and it makes it look nice and even.
Are you serious? Are you kidding me? What's the deal? Oh no, no. This the one you talking about that's supposed to take my place. Damn, is this for real? It's almost disrespectful. That's a downgrade and you know it. Still your best. Me. Still your best. Me. When you wanna come back, I lay you back on your back and do you just like that. Miss the way that
But I went the low maintenance route for my hair. It was already straight, but it's a days old straight. You know how when it gets oily and it's like, okay, girl, it's time to wash it, but you might be to stretch it one more day. Yeah, that was me. So I literally just brushed out my hair and tried to brush out like the oil and how crazy my hair was looking. So I took my boar bristle brush and kind of brushed back my leftover edge control that was in my edges and just smoothed it down and try to get that nice sleek Kim K look.
say my love is bad, so you let me go. But my love is more. Just wanna let you know.
Thanks for joining me on another video on my channel. If you want to see anything that I'm wearing, definitely head over to my Instagram. I'm gonna have all my outfit details there already ready for you guys. But as always, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.